Welcome to iQUANTA. Today we will learn about the cubes and we will learn to do the cubes which is just more than 100. And in the where we can use that in CI, we can use that in percentage also. So it is very useful. We are not learning like the cubes for anything because that was not a very easy way to do it. So what we learn, like what exactly we need. The first thing you need to learn, like the first 15 cubes, and it is written here, the first 15 cube is 1 cube to 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. It is already written all these kind of cubes. But what I need to do, like what I need to learn is cubes more than 100. So we need to find 104 cube, 106 cube, this kind of numbers. So let's think about 104 cube and what we do to find 104 cube. The answer should have been 1124864. Now you'll tell me, sir, you must remember this thing, that's why you can do it fast. But I'm telling you exactly how you also do it in that much time. The first thing you need to do 100 plus 3 into extra. Now what is extra here? 4. The next step is 3 into extra square. What is extra? 4 square. And the third is extra cube. So 100 plus 3 into extra slash 3 into extra square slash extra cube. So this is 112, this is 48, and this is 64. So that is the same as 1124864. Now think about 106 cube. So what we should do first? We first do something like in case of 106 cube, the first thing we should do, that is 100 plus 3 into 6. That is the first step. 3 into extra. Next, 3 into extra square. Next, extra cube. So it is basically 118, 108 and 216. Now if you think about this, like this thing is responsible for 2 digits. This thing is responsible for 2 digits. Now whenever we have third digit, this should be added here. So if 16 is here, so I'll put it 16 is here, then in this second here, 108 plus 2, it will become 110. Now we have 110, 16 and 118. Again, similarly, this is responsible for the last two, so 1 should be added here. So it will become 119, 1016. And that is 106 cube. And that's how you can do it very fast. The next is, let's say I take another example like 107 cube. So what is the first step? Like 100 plus 3 into 7. That is the first step. Next is 3 into 7 square. And the third step is 7 cube. So this is 121. 3 into 7 square. 7 square is 49. 3 into 49 is 147. And this is 7 cube is 343. That's why you need to remember 7 cube. So 43 is here. 3 will add here. So it is basically 150, 43 and 121. Now 50 is here. 1 should be added here. 122, 5043. So this is how we do the cubes and all of these things. And remember, it is very, very important to solve, to understand like why I am using this thing. Because in case of, let's say, 7% compound interest compounded annually for 3 years, you have to do 107 cube. Now in case, you can do it very fast by using this kind of methods. So this is all about the cubes and how we do the cubes for this kind of cases, like the cubes for more than 100. But in case of, let's say, you need to do, let's say 17 cube. The easiest way to do 17 square, 2089 into 17. So do this method. This is the fastest method to do. There are shortcuts are there, but it takes more time than this. So there is no point of using a shortcut which takes actually more time. That's why we are not going into it. We are going into something which is very useful for you. So that's why this cube method is very, very useful. So see you guys in the next video.